Hey ladies and gents, Photo Man back with another video. This is a good one, interesting one, maybe one that a lot of Calgarians don't even know about. What better way to spend a long weekend, or any day really, afternoon, than to take a family picnic at the site of Alberta's only stagecoach robbery. Just south of Airdrie in Balzac lies Sharp Hill Park, a park in the area where in 1886, two masked men stole $435 and were never caught. The money is worth about $10,000 today. Sitting in the park is a stagecoach. The coach is a replica of the one that would have run between Calgary and Edmonton back in the early 1900s, late 1800s, on the Calgary-Edmonton Trail.